Okay, guys, so, it's very obvious what I'm doing. That is kind of where I ended everything. Ooh, that cost 500. I'm gonna do it. Oh, it's only gonna take 15 minutes. So I think I can build that there. Won't build what I want. Not sure. Yeah, can. Something I really want is the it's the oh god, hiccup kind of thing. The engineering monkey. I have to upgrade my town a bit. You guys are probably going to be lucky enough when I hit level 15 that I'm going to have a new town to start screwing around in. That would be pretty cool to watch from the start. So, yeah. What is this? Farms earn city toll cash twice as fast until bountiful harvest ends. Ooh! That is great. Wait, when does it end? 14 hours and 32 minutes. Somewhere around, tonight when I really don't care. Yeah, so let's see here. What shells I do? I'm gonna check out this event. What's the current highest level? 30. Okay, I'm gonna play to beat 31. Well, yeah. Let's see here. As you can see, I'm taking no risks. Wait, cancel. Wait a second. Forgot my handkerchief. Guys, I do say some random stuff, but it's because I'm making references. I hope you understand that. Really? Freaking... Where's some level 2 land real quick? Doesn't seem that hard. Wait, cancel. 1 second. Yeah, I need to do something again. You guys will understand what I'm doing by the end of it. Home. Yes. Raphael. Let's see here. You have been. Okay, so here's what I want to do. See this thing? There. That's what I want to do. Here's what I want to do, girl. Yeah. I remember songs very easily for some reason. It's just how I am. Yeah. I click that. Why I don't have enough money? I normally does. Oh, because it's more expensive. Ah, got it. That's irritating. Yeah, see, that's a little... Wait, I think that might be... No, I can't tell. I smart. Yeah, I smart. I had so much issues defeating this trap before, and I don't know why. Right now it has no more airplanes, so... Hi there! Lightning bolt! Wait, bolt! Magic! Oh yeah, okay, I'm in a welding class, and, I'm also into card games, and one of those card games is Magic. So for my, welding final, I am going to make a card playing table, and the logo on it is going to be a Magic logo. It's not for any sales or anything, it's just for my own use, so I'm pretty sure it's okay. But, one of the things that happened was people saw what I was drawing out, because I had to draw out the schematics for it, And basically, someone's just like, guess what your new nickname is? I'm like, what is it? And they're like, Magic Mike. And I'm like, that's my nickname. That's gonna be a nickname that sticks. That's all I can say. Like, if it doesn't, I'm gonna be sad. See, I'm pretty sure I'm making a great plan right here. Dang it! They're supposed to hit the balloons in the lead. Yeah, like that. Let's see here. If I put that there. I hope that's enough to help. Huh, it is. It helps quite a bit, actually. It drops them down about a color. And if they're at red, it kills them. Why can't it just like spawn 20,000 reds and just have me deal with that? Just have them in one little group. So, yeah. Then again, I'd probably just hit it with a grenade and kill them all. As my voice begins to not sound good. This music, it's so enticing! Yeah, you heard that. That was really weird. As I walk through the valley of the king, I am bored! Kill him. Kill them. I want this. Right here. Boom! Faster. Make it faster. This might not be that bad, actually. I'm pretty sure if I sold both of those, I could get money to pump that up. Wait, how much would I get from this? That would be a little over 900. Yeah, with both those, that would be about 1,200. Yeah, I want to do that though. See, this is what I mean, like, they cross over there. That's crazy. Probably fit this in there. Yep. Oh! Hi! That upgrades! Forgot I did a quick upgrade on that. Yep. Yazzles! Let's click buttons! Buttons! Like, buttons. It's done. Lovely, I'm almost done with this. Let's see here. I can't put anything else. Both those are good. Wait, dude. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to leave it here. But, yeah, basically, that's the end of the round right there. So, bye, guys. See you next time. Please like and subscribe there. There's the end of the round. Bye!